So Bitcoin goes up, Riot platforms goes up as well. Why would that happen? Well, because many people think that Riot, which it does, is a miner for Bitcoin. So if the strength, if the demand for Bitcoin, the asset that this company is mining goes higher in value, then rightfully so. Their business, their stock price should be going up as well too. That is exactly what happened into the market in Riot. You guys can see that we had this price prediction in Riot on our chart since November the 1st, maybe the 2nd, looking for Riot to do just that, go up. We did an update video in Riot on the 24th of November and we still didn't change our price prediction. But guess what? Since that time of November, the market has really given us the idea that Riot is still bullish, period. I don't care what anyone says. I'm still anticipating that Riot is going to go up. So for this content right here today, I'm going to show you where I think price is going to go next, all without being confused. So let's go ahead and break this down. Congratulations to those who was able to profit in the market move higher in Riot, 22.5% there. When I did our video on the 24th of November, I talked about this sell zone right there. And look at how bullish, how strong the demand is in Riot right now. It completely went through that sell zone. So where's the next area that we need to contemplate that we can see selling hit the market in Riot? Can you see it? Do you think you can tell where that demand or the selling will hit the demand and actually push the price back down? Do you see it? Let's take a look at Riot on the weekly chart, okay? Because this weekly price bar is another indication that the market is still bullish. We got the indicator triggered. It's right there on a weekly time frame. This is not on the daily chart. This is on a weekly time frame. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Look at how strong that spread is. Charts don't lie. The market's trying to go somewhere. And when you see this on the 2 weeks, the high of this 2 week price bar, as well as this one, is where we need to contemplate where we can see more selling hit the market in Riot. Okay, here it is on the 3. The 2 weeks, the weekly, and now the 3 weeks all look the same. The spread of these bars is strong, is healthy. It's telling us that the market really wants to move and it doesn't want to go down. It wants to go up. 5 weeks. Take a look at Riot on the monthly chart. Okay, here's Riot on the 5. So my contention now would be at this area right here. And you can see how the market currently in Riot on the 5-day chart is hitting this sell zone in the market right now. Will we see price break that to the upside? Because if so, then our next area will have to be a little bit higher. So I'm looking at these two areas here. That would be my first sell zone, and this would be my second in Riot. I don't think the market is going to have problems, talking about the buyers, to go through this sell zone down here at the bottom. I think it's going to be strong enough to at least pass that area. So let's get rid of that. And let's go back to the daily and see what we got. Okay, so this would be my target areas right there. So the first area would be around like $15.25. That gives around 11%. And then at the top portion of the sell zone around 16, 14 and a quarter. I'm just going to hold those two areas there first for Riot. And if anything, we want the market and Riot to hold $12. Best thing would be for the market to hold this trend line and continue to trade alongside that trend line. That's what I want to see. But As always, we don't control price action. We just simply predict it. So that is it. I want your thoughts as to where you suspect the market in Riot is about to go. I'm going to go ahead and leave that there. We got 2 areas of sell zones identified into the market. There's another potential area that I wanted to show you, which is right here. But I really want to see the sellers hit this area out first before I really draw that second area in. All right, I'm through. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.